Okay, we're in Macau's most beautiful park, and we're gonna walk around it a little bit in the daytime. Last time I was here, it was nighttime. Some beautiful architecture, even on the outside of the park. That's on the outside. There's a wall right there. Beautiful butterfly too, right there. And we're gonna go check it all out. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So here we are in Macau's most beautiful park. I'm going to try to use more superlatives in my videos. So I also have the densest city in the world. And this park has a lot of history to it. And it's actually quite amazing because we're surrounded by urban buildings everywhere. It's quite beautiful right there too. Okay. So there's bonsai trees and bamboo. All kinds of cool stuff. And then this kind of rock formation as well. So I think first thing we're going to do, I think those are COVID announcements. It's COVID era. Everybody has mask on. There we go. Can you hear that in English? So they'll do that announcement in English, Portuguese, and Chinese, basically telling everybody to wear a mask and to wash your hands regularly. And those messages have been going on for the last 2 years. There's some beautiful house right there. There's a lot of beautiful stuff in this park. It's hard to even know which way to walk sometimes. There's just so much beauty to it. I think that one is pavilion, so we're going to keep walking down this way instead. Kind of missed this little tea ceremony area. Might go back to that a little bit as well, but I don't want to miss the stuff that's up here either. So I got tiny little birds there. It's kind of cool. The small tiny birds too. Usually I'm used to feeding the pigeons, right? Oh, she's gonna climb up in there. Oh, so she can get through there. It's dangerous. Let's get a picture though. Look at it. So you take a look up into here. I was kind of coming all the way up. I don't want to embarrass him too much because I caught him on camera. So she climbed up there for a photo. Luckily she didn't fall in the water because I would have captured that. Okay, so this is all closed today, which is too bad. There we go, so that's the view. And you can see all these tall buildings all around us as well. So this park was built with a lot of foresight. So they built it back when, yeah, that's beautiful. And actually look how beautiful that the walls are. We're gonna walk that way, even though I might embarrass. That was kind of funny. Yeah, if she fell in the water and I had that captured, that would be hilarious and awkward. I wasn't sure if I should go rescue her or what I should do there. They're gone now. Oh, they're still taking pictures over there. That's funny that she climbed up in there. Okay, so that's danger. Can't go up into that space. This is really nice too. You see the goldfish right there. Quite a few underneath. I guess that's to keep the fresh water moving. So there's lots of turtles too. One time I looked into a trash can, I saw it moving, and I saw a ton of turtles. So I guess they were trying to do some population control. Usually they play mahjong here. Usually in the evening, they always play mahjong right here. Yeah, usually yeah, once I saw just like a trash full of turtles, so I guess it was too overpopulated, so they just threw a bunch of them in the trash. It was amazing. So we're gonna walk. I kind of want to walk to that tea ceremony, and this is there's a school right over here, but this is more of that, how we're surrounded by buildings all the way around, but there's a wall to the side. It's beautiful. So these walls right here, so you can see this wall, so it's all surrounded by a giant wall all the way around. There's some people up in the park up there. Yeah, actually when I saw her in the tree, I didn't know if I should turn my camera away. I was like kind of embarrassed for her. I thought she might yell at me like, hey, why are you filming me? But on the other hand, she's in a tree getting pictures, so. Oh, look at that. Got a beautiful stick up in the. Huh. Yeah, then you can go into these and kind of follow up and go up into the things a little bit. But I want to go over to the tea ceremony part. So we're gonna walk. Let's see. Guess I'll walk this way. There was one time I was here and there was some really beautiful, they were doing like tea ceremony. Let me see if I can go around. I think they're playing mahjong over there. And there's that thing over that way too. Okay, let's go this way. For this tea ceremony, they had a bunch of young people meeting like in their 20s, 25s, something like that. And they were putting on period costumes. It was really beautiful. And looked like from something from China, right? And it was like so beautiful. And there's a lot of photographers and they were taking pictures of them. And I was in some of the pictures. It was really fun. I'll try to link some of those on here as well. But so many videos, that would be kind of a best of one. I wish that one had more views because that one was so cool. It is nice to see. Now I gotta use my superlatives more often. Macau's greatest park, the best park of Macau. Macau's most beautiful park. We're gonna come up here into this we're gonna go that way towards the I think we can do it here. I want to go towards the tea ceremony place. It's like a form of exercising there. And here it is right here. So there's a pavilion up that way and there's a tea ceremony, and you got all these lights for the evening, right? So you can light it all up. You got these kind of things. Yeah, this is real nice in here. I thought there might be some activity up here, so that's why I kind of wanted to come up and see. Okay. That was kind of interesting because there's like new generation, older generation, right? So there's one on the reading a newspaper and one on the laptop, right? So that's like so interesting. But yeah, this is a little tea ceremony place right here, and then there's a tea ceremony museum right there. So they'll do some of these will come out under here, and sometimes they'll have like dancing and performance here as well. We're kind of near the end. I kind of want to go through this space right here too. This is like a beautiful Portuguese colonial area with bonsai trees and such. Yeah, that looks real nice. No, I like that because it was like young generation, old generation, right? So you have the newspaper. I haven't seen anybody with a newspaper in a long time. You just standing there reading the newspaper. And then on the other side there was a young person who was so we're gonna come back out that way in a minute, but we're gonna have to go around like this. I'll show you the street as well, so we're gonna come on out. So we have to exit on this side, I guess. So we're gonna come out this way. And now we're just kind of out on the main streets again. I'm gonna go across this little Hong Kong shop right here. I forget the name of it, but it's like kind of a certain style of restaurant. Now we're just in the density of Macau. So kind of interesting. So that was Top Siek. No, that was all right in the. So yeah, that's the park right there. It's all surrounded. And now we're just up in the density of a vintage. Gonna go up a little bit, and then we're gonna turn around at this street. Yeah, now we're just in the middle of Macau, right? Apartments everywhere. So yep. We can keep going all the way up that way and just kind of have like Macau stuff all the way around from. And then that's the park that we're just at. So that was Macau's greatest park. And we're gonna end it right there, next to that coffee sign.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Let's go check out the room. Oh, hey guys. 3 things: like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. All right.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.